Hey, Jay Grams here from the Volo Auto Museum. Look at this awesome 23 bucket T that we have here for sale today. Remember, go to volocars.com. You can see hundreds of collector cars we have for sale, and each car, including this one, will have photos top to bottom, full description, all the specs. And on our website, there's the way to contact us. We'll answer any questions, work with you however we can. We have shipping, we have financing, whatever we can do to help put this in your driveway. That's what we're the we're the experts at. That's volocars.com. Let's take this one for a spin. Honestly, I think this is the best bucket T I've ever seen in my life. It is just slick looking. It's tasteful, it's classy. I love the colors, I love the quality. It's got a lot of nice features. This is a nice bucket T. This is class. Very fresh too. It's not old or dated or dingy. Coker, big fat white walls all the way around. Love the red rims and the trim, and right in the middle of the cap, it's the Ford script logo. Little wheelie bar, which is, I think, a cool touch. We were asking each other if we should take it off or leave it on, and we voted to leave it on. Nice Ford 9-inch rear end under there with a nice cover, coil-over shocks. Really nice body. It's a stretched body. We've got a guy here, 6'2", fits in there comfortably. But look how slick the paint. You could read the fine print on our contract in the reflection of that paint there. And all of the chrome and trim is polished beautifully. This motor compartment, that's mechanical jewelry there. Chrome-plated carburetors and nice valve covers. The motor has a fresh red paint job on it. Looks like an MSD ignition system, electric fan, Walker radiator. That's nice. Look where the front end sits. This is an extended frame. The front end sits way out in front, gives it a much better ride. It has disc brakes with the covers over it, drop axle. All the suspension and steering is chromed, chrome shocks, Edelbrock fuel pump. It's a 327 motor with a turbo 350 trans. This is a great feature. You don't have to climb over. You don't have to ask your wife to climb over to get in. The interior is done up really nice. Got nice contoured seats. The pedals are in a nice location. Sometimes you have one pedal on one side of the column, one on the other, and you're using 2 feet. That's awkward. This car's not like that. It's got a tilt column. It's got a full set of matching gauges. Really nice looking gauges. But all the details, the pedals, I mean, everything I see is done nice. Braided stainless brake lines. So you probably want to hear it run. I do too. Let's fire this thing up real quick. All right, here we go. Started right up. That's a cold start. We parked this in here yesterday. That's cool. I fit right in here real nice. Does have seat belts. Got red piping around the carpet. It's only got 4,500 miles since it was built. It doesn't look like it has 400 miles. Someone took really good care of this car. On our website, you'll see pictures underneath the car as well. It's chromed and painted. I would thoroughly enjoy driving this car, and you can too. Just contact sales at volocars.com, and we can help put this car in your garage. Thank you.